Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So as you know that your post midterm is knocking at the door, so here I have prepared one revision sheet. You can revise the sheet and you can practice it for post midterm. So here I will explain all the questions and you have to answer it. You can answer it in your copy. You can write down the question in your copy and you can answer it, and then you can send it to your respected maths teacher. And before starting the question, I will give you once again the syllabus of post midterm. Okay, so let's start the class. Dear students, this is the syllabus of post midterm. Let me read the chapter's name once again. Chapter 1, Where to Look From. Chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. Chapter 3, Give and Take. Chapter 5, Shapes and Design. Chapter 9, How Many Times. Chapter 12, Can We Share. Chapter 4, Long and Short. Chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Chapter 7, Time Goes On. Chapter 14, Rupees and Paise. And Chapter 11, Jugs and Mugs. So we have completed all the chapters, and last three chapters, that is Time Goes On, Rupees and Paise and Jugs and Mugs, are the new chapters which we have already completed. So you need to learn this chapter once more and you have to practice all the worksheets properly. You need to practice all the chapters properly. And first chapter, what we have learned, you know that is side view, top view, front view, and the line of symmetry, mirror image, this type of symmetrical, asymmetrical object. We have learned this type of things in Where to Look From. In chapter 2, what we have learned? In chapter 2, we have learned fun with numbers. There are lot of things we have learned. Then in chapter 3, the name of the chapter is Give and Take. So in this chapter, what we have learned, you know that very well, that from the name of the chapter, it is very easy to understand that it's a chapter where we have discussed about the operations, basic two operations, that is addition and subtraction. And also we have learned few statement problem sum or word problem sum. So after that, we have started shapes and design. In shapes and designs, it is based on geometry. You know that there are a lot of different types of shapes we have learned, and 2D shapes, 3D shapes. What are 2D shapes? What are 3D shapes? Example of 2D shapes, example of 3D shapes. These are the things we have learned in shapes and designs. And chapter 9, How Many Times. You know that the word times means multiplication. So how many times is related to multiplication, another basic operation. So after that, can we share? So from the name of the chapter, we can easily understand that can we share. Share means it's related to division. So we have learned here division, and long and short, it is related to length. So here we have learned about fun with give and take. We have learned different types of addition, subtraction, puzzle questions, and many more different types of questions on addition and subtraction. Then time goes on. It is related to time. Rupees and paise, from the name it is very clear, and it is related to money. Jugs and mugs, we have learned capacity. Capacity means, what is capacity? The amount of liquid a container can hold is called capacity. So we have learned these are the things in these chapters. Let us read our revision class. See, here I will not give you the answer. Here you need to find out the answer. I will read out the question and I will help you to remember or recapitulate the lesson once again. So first question was, make First question is make 4-digit greatest number and 4-digit smallest number using the given digits 8, 9, 5 and 0. Also find the difference of the smallest and the greatest number. Here you need to find out 3 answers. First answer is 4-digit greatest number. You have to make 4-digit greatest number using 8, 9, 5 and 0. And next you need to find out the 4-digit smallest number by using 8, 9, 4, 5 and 0. And also you have to find out the result of the subtraction, because here it is written that find the difference of the smallest and the greatest number. Difference means you have to subtract the smallest number from the greatest number. So first of all, when you are making the 4-digit greatest number, that time you should remember one thing. You need to arrange the numbers from greatest to lowest. Means it should be in descending order. But here you need to avoid putting comma, because when you will put the comma, then it will be a digit. It will become a digit, like 8 is a digit, 9 is a digit. So you need to write like this way. Suppose I am giving you example 8950. No need to give the comma. Okay. Next you need to remember one thing. In case of 0 and in case of smallest, when you are making the smallest 4-digit number and if any 0 is present, so you should avoid this avoid to putting this 0 in the place of 1000. So keep in mind that whenever 0 is there, you should avoid the extreme left position, means the 1000 position, because you need to make 4-digit greatest number. So if you put it in for 1000 place, then it will become a 3-digit number. So you should put the 0 after 1000 place, that is means 100 place. Next, multiply using expanded form. You know that how to expand a number. Expand means when you make the number larger. Like 458 multiplied by 4. Here you need to apply expanded form multiplication. No need to compute it in normal multiplication. You have to find out the expanded form multiplication result. So how to do it, you know that, just do it. Okay. Third question, it is very easy. Convert into kilometer and meter. 17,890 meter. You have to convert it in kilometer and meter. First of all, you need to remember one thing, that 2 things you need to remember. That is, whenever you need to convert any unit to another unit, that time whenever it is you are converting larger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. Smaller unit to larger unit, you have to divide. So larger unit to smaller unit, multiply. Smaller unit to larger unit, divide. So here it is given in meter. That means meter is the smaller unit than kilometer. So whenever we need to convert smaller to larger, we have to divide. Now you need to know the relationship among the units. So first of all, you need to learn the relationship among the different units, and it is very easy, you know that. And now we will read the 4-number question. Add and convert the result of addition in milliliter. So here 3 amounts are given. 5 liter 679 milliliter, 560 milliliter and 4 liter 120 milliliter. So 3 amounts are given. You need to first add the 3 amounts. Then you have to convert it in milliliter. So after getting the result of addition, you need to convert the addition result into milliliter. That means you will get the answer in liter and milliliter, and after that you have to convert it in milliliter. So you know the rule of conversion. Whenever you need to change or convert larger unit to smaller unit, that time you have to multiply. Smaller to larger, you have to divide. So do it. Now let us read the 5th number question. You know this is the question from Time Goes On, and I think you have learned it very well. So check the following years are leap year or not. Also write the total number of days in the month of February on that year. So 2 years are given here, 1980 and 2013. So these are the 2 years is given. You have to check whether it's a leap year or not. I need to tell you one thing, that whenever you are solving this type of question, check or verify, that time you have to show everything, the process you have to show properly. Means to check a year is a leap year or not, you have to divide the year by 4. So show the division in the answer, because this is needed. So after division, you know that how to check it is leap year or not. When it leaves remainder, then it is a non-leap year. When you are dividing any year by 4 and it leaves remainder, then it's a non-leap year. When it leaves no remainder, that means it's a leap year. It is divisible by 4. So these are the things you need to remember, and just do it. After question number 5, question number 6 is very easy. Draw a rectangle using a ruler. So you need to use your ruler and pencil, and you have to draw a rectangle. Write the number of corners and number of equal sides in a rectangle. You need to mention that also. So these are the things you need to do. But for question number 5, you need to write each and every question answer properly. Okay, so do it. Now question number 7. It's a very interesting question. You have learned it in the chapter Rupees and Paise. Find the total amount of bill and the balance got back if money paid was rupees 500. Already 500 rupees is paid to the shopkeeper, and these are the items bought from the market. So what will be the total cost? You need to find out first, and then you have to do what you know. I will not tell you the procedure. You have to do it because you have learned it. So this is the question from the chapter Rupees and Paise. It's a bill making question. So those who have not watched the tutorial class, just watch again, and you will get the and you will understand that how to solve this question answer. So do it. Next question, 8 number question. It is also very easy. Find A, B, C and D in the given bill. See, here the bill is incomplete bill. You have to complete the bill. What are the items bought from the market? It is written. What are the quantity, that is also written, and cost per item is also written. But you have to find the total cost of each item and also find the grand total. So that means A, B, C and D you need to find out. So you know the procedure, you have to do it and you have to answer it. So I am not explaining I will not explain the procedure, but one thing I need to mention, that what are the workout you are doing you are doing for this question, you need to show it in your answer. Let us read our 9th number question. What is in the 9th number question? If the divisor is 15, quotient is 12, remainder is 5, find the dividend. First of all, these are the terms related to which operation? You know, these are the terms related to division. Yes, and divisor means the number which divides the dividend. Dividend means the number which we divide. Quotient means the result of division, and the remainder, from the name remainder we know that remain. The word remain means what is left. So leftover of division is called the remainder. Now to check your you know that there is a rule of checking of division result, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here you need to apply the rule of checking of division, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and then you have to find out the dividend. Okay, the next question is divide and verify. See, here you need to divide And after division, you need to write what you are getting, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. How to check your answer is correct or not? You need to apply the same rule what I have told for the 9th number question. So you need to apply the rule and you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. So complete these 10 questions and practice it in your home, and you can get the worksheets also in your school website. So those who need to download the worksheets, you can download it from the school websites. So thank you and best of luck for your exam, and give your best in your exam. Thank you.